Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today I want to discuss, as you can see from title, how you can buy a stock for a big discount. Okay, I'm going to discuss point wise how this strategy works on almost any stocks or ETF. It's a very high win rate. I have been using this for a long time now, and it makes you profit even if the stock goes up, sideways, or little down, right? So in all probability this strategy is gonna make you money. Okay, the another thing is it provides you that 5 to 15% of downside protection, and it also works for a short term, mid term, or long term, right? It's a easy and a beginner friendly strategy, and it's almost like a set and forget. Okay, so all that we are going to discuss in this video. If you're interested, stick around, and with that, let's start. Okay, so before we start, right, I just want to quickly tell you how much profit that I have made using this strategy. And in last month, I think I have made more than $7,000 to $8,000 using this strategy. And overall, this year market has been really good, so that played a big factor. But I made huge profit in overall year, right? So I can put some screenshot to show you my yearly profit, right? And this is not from the day trading, and it's a set and forget option strategy, and it takes only 1 hour per day of your time, right? So that's the beauty of this strategy. You're gonna be spending a way less time, and you're gonna be very consistent. So okay, so the strategy that's called cash secured put, right? And the beauty of that is I'm gonna tell you the steps that you need to really consider when you do this sell cash secured put. So if you're completely new, I won't go in complete full detail. So I have a lot of videos in my channel about this strategy. You can go and watch for full detail, but I'm going to quickly cover this in this video so you know how good this strategy is, right? So there are some key things about this strategy. So the entry is very important, right? So you need to enter in a red day for the cash secured put, right? You have to enter on a red day, or even better, if the stock has a significant pullback, then you should enter at that point. The delta wise, it could be aim for like 30 to 50 delta. That's like a pretty safe zone, and the expiration is 4 weeks or longer. I personally go a weekly in options, but in general, that the textbook definition of this cash secured put is 4 weeks or longer. That's gonna depends on your how actively you can manage your trade. If you can manage your trade, if you can give like an hour per day, you can see how your trades are doing, then you can definitely go weekly, right? It just depends on your risk appetite, and the strategy itself is very flexible. The good point is it's a set and forget strategy. Like I said, you just set and then forget. Okay, you don't have to do anything. Okay, I'm going to take example of Reddit, but again, you can take any stock. This applies to any stock, any brokerages. I personally use like doing options in Robinhood, so that's why I'm doing this one. But any brokerages, same concepts apply. So the way you do is, like I said, your trade entry is important. The steps are you're gonna be basically selling put, right? So you sell, you put, and then expiration date, like I said, I personally do weekly, but you can do like let's say, I just want to say 30 days, right? So 30 days is a pretty safe bet in this case, because it's easy to manage if you have some time in your hand, right? That's the whole idea. If you can manage your trades actively, then you can go for a shorter one. So select that. Then entry, again, as I said, it's very important when you are opening this trade. So Reddit, find a red day for Reddit. See if it goes down, right? See if it goes down, let's say here, because as it goes down, the premium is gonna go up, right? So if you find a good red day, you're gonna be getting more premium. So you select the strike price. I'm just selecting 200. Most of these unique kind of numbers, that's where you will find the good open interest and good volume, right? As you go closer to the expiry, the volume is going to increase, but this is going to tell you, right, out of all these, you can clearly see that people are interested in this particular strike price, right? So that's where I think most of the trading is going to happen, and that makes it very liquid, so you can easily close, go in and out of the trade. So that's the reason of selecting this. If you open in a red day, like I said, you're going to be getting a huge good premium. Okay, next thing is you just it shows also the chart right here. You can see your max profit is gonna be $430 and your max loss. This is just like it's not, I would say, a loss. It's what it's gonna happen is if on that expiration day, if it closes below 200, you will be buying that stock in your portfolio for 200. Okay, so that's all this tells you, and your average cost is gonna be lower, right? So that's why I said it provides your opportunity to buy stock less than the market price. So that's the beauty of this strategy, because you are getting paid upfront. That reduces from your average cost. Okay, so execution wise, it's pretty straight. Once you have your expiration date selected, once you have these thing selected, the strike price, that's all. You just review order and you submit your order and you just wait. After this point, it's just a waiting game. You just wait for January 23rd to arrive. On January 23rd, there could be couple of things that can happen, right? Either it can go up, it can stay above, and it doesn't have to like go, even if it goes down, right? Let's say it goes down till 210, you gonna be collecting that $430 anyway. So as long as it stays above the 200 mark, you're gonna be keeping that premium with you. Okay, only case if it goes down, let's say on January 23rd, if the stock is less than 200, which is far below the current spot price, right? It's if you look at, right, it's almost 20% up right now. It has to come down that 20%, so you have that room to go to come it down till 200. If it goes down below that, you're gonna be owning the stock for 200, which is a pretty good price at this point, right? Because if it goes 20%, that means market has pulled back, so there's an opportunity that it can go up. So the next big thing you can do is you sell covered call. Okay, so there are videos in my channel about that, and that's the wheel you run to make consistent income. That's how I have been making a consistent income. And as I showed in the beginning of the video, my profit have kind of over the this last year, they have more than 200-300%, right? That kind of consistency comes from this single strategy, this one and covered call. Together, they are pretty much set and forget strategy. You can rinse and repeat. So that was it for this video. I just wanted to quickly introduce you to a way to buy a stock for a cheaper, right? There are a lot of videos in my channel. I know I may not have covered the everything in this one, like how you can roll it out, roll down and everything. There are a lot of other things related to the risk management, but do subscribe to my channel. There are a lot of videos that talks about this particular strategy in detail with all the risk management factors, right? So do watch out all those videos to know more. With that, I'm closing this video. Happy investing, guys. Bye bye.